Hi guys, we have a few new products from Octo Classic today. It's for my R129 and it's the popular sort of wood panel for the seat adjustments. I've been waiting for this for quite some time, to be honest, and when I saw them, I had to order. I chose the variant of the darker wood, and from my point, it's wonderful. Pre-drilled holes for the holders. These are quite tough from the original, so let's put it here. But these are really a pain in the app. These are the holders for the seat controls, and they really go bad because they are brittle, to be honest, and they are not available anymore as an original part from Mercedes-Benz. So either we scrap the old ones, or we have our friends who produce new ones for us. So there we go. Both sides, up and down for the left hand controls. When installing this, in any case, either if you get an original or if it's a reproductive copy, be sure to tighten this gently. Why? It will break. Either the original or the copy, it might break. So really, please be gentle when doing this. But let's move on to that. Step 1. Remove by just unclicking this one. It has springs, so it's really easy to remove. Step 2. Remove the handle safety. Screwdriver. Be sure to watch that the screw doesn't fall inside the door. I really don't want that, so mine is going out. And you have to unhook it back, so back and gently out. Step 3. To remove the panel, you have to grab it, pull it back, and then go out. Why? You will see shortly. So this is why the panel has to be pulled back first. It's wedged in by these two small ledges and is being held by the springs. So as mentioned, when disassembling it, first pull back and go out like this. Remove our cables. Try to use a plastic wedge in order not to damage any components. Step 4. Remove the seat control module. You have 1, 2, 3 screws. I always like to put a cloth underneath, just not to damage the buttons. So here we go. And it should go out. Slowly. We don't want to break anything. Here we go. The control module is out. Okay, so to install all together, we have all of the components. The seat control module from the old with the 3 screws. Please do not lose them. We have the 2 springs, which I think are still available from Mercedes-Benz. Please be careful, you need this. We have the small screws. Let me just zoom in on one, but you won't see a lot. So this is going here. We have the new panel. And we have 2 new holders. So let's put this together. So you have to be careful. This slides in here. You have prefabricated holes, which are being really tight. But as mentioned, do not overscrew this because you will break the plastic eventually. Be gentle. When you get some resistance, stop it. Don't go through. Here we go. We're gonna skip this one because it was not drilled. So it's the same procedure in the bottom part. We have the groove. You slide it in. Be real gentle. This one is fighting me, so okay. Here we go. And I think there's this one. Well, I suppose blank. So don't overdo this 6 or 8 holes. This is a prototype, so probably this is why 2 are missing, but please do all of them, do it gently. And just to show you, this is the original screw which I have unmounted from my car, so the approximate length of the screw is like this. Opto doesn't have them. And the thickness of the thread is here. So this is what I can help you. You can probably get a screw from your local hardware store and, you know, just file it down or cut it, and be sure to take care of the thread, because I've searched for this dimension and I did not find it. Maybe Mercedes-Benz still has it, but I think it's easier for me. And of course, if you have your old screws, please use them. So now we will assemble the electronic part of the seat control going inside, and it's going to be thumbed in by 3 screws. Okay, so here we go. One of the last steps is to join. It goes a bit rough, but it should fit nicely. So we have 3 more screws, which go here. 1. Don't overdo it. Just get in there. Stop. Get in there. Stop. Last one. Get in there. Stop when resistance. Here we go. Last thing. Get 2 springs. Go inside here and here. Beautiful. Okay, so we're back at the car. We have our new wooden piece. Let's connect the electrical parts. 1, 2, and 3. Check that they're firmly in. Now, the installation goes like this. Slide it in, head on, inside. So first here, then click it at the back. Should stay fixed. It is. Next step. Goes in one way. Be sure to slide it in. Screw this one firmly because it's holding as well the upper part of the wooden console. So fixed, no squeaks, no movement, perfect. And the last part. This one's always a bit tricky for me. No, it's correct. Here we go.